Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given 3 points whose coordinates are 17, minus 28, minus 77, 33 and minus of 37, 64. And we have to find the value of abscissa of C plus abscissa of A minus ordinate of B. So at first we should know what is abscissa. Abscissa is nothing but it is the x-axis and ordinate is simply the y-axis. So abscissa of C, so abscissa of C is the x coordinate of C, which is minus of 37. Similarly, abscissa of A, so abscissa of A is nothing but x coordinate of A, which is 17, and ordinate of B will be the y coordinate of B, which is 33. Therefore, according to the question, we have to find the value of abscissa of C, that is minus of 37, plus abscissa of A, which is plus 17, minus of ordinate of B, which is minus of 33. Therefore, minus of 37 minus of 33 will give us minus of 70. So minus of 70 plus 17 will be equals minus of 53. Therefore, minus of 53 will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.